Okay, adding and subtracting decimals are easy as whole numbers. So if I have 1.38 plus 15.1. All right, you line them up by place value. Remember, by place value pretty much means you're connecting the dots with your decimals. Okay, so I have my ones, my tenths, and my hundredths. All right, done. Well, here I have tens, so that goes over to the side. My ones, my tenths, and no hundredths. All right, add your zeros. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 0 plus 1 is 1. Done. Just make sure you line up your decimals, not your digits. Decimals, not digits. Because if I lined up by just my digits, that's completely wrong. I'm lining up my ones with my tens, and I get a really weird number. And on top of that, I wouldn't know where to put my decimal, here or here. I have no clue. No. Line up your decimals. Okay, same thing with subtracting. Say I have 14 minus 9.82. All right, well, our first number, our bigger number, goes on top. Minus, okay, then I line it up. 9s are in my ones. Agreed, 14 wholes, 9 wholes. Okay. There's an invisible decimal behind that 14 because here are my wholes. I just don't have anything extra. Now, you can't just switch it because you like it. If I have 0 cookies, I can't give Miss Profit 2. That doesn't work. So I have to regroup. There's nothing over here for me to borrow. So I got to regroup again. 3 over here. So I took from my ones and moved it to my tenths. That didn't help the situation at all. But now I can regroup. From this 10, turn it to a 9, and make that a 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 9 doesn't work. 13 minus 9 is 4. Okay, one without all the regrouping, just so you can see again. Okay, so I line them up. First one goes on top. See how I just connected the dots? Decimal's going to go right there. Fill in your zeros. 0 minus 1 can't work. If I have 0 cookies, I can't give Miss Profit 1. Regroup. 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Done. Treat them like whole numbers. Just don't forget to line up those decimals. When you line up your decimals, you're lining up your place values. Tens, ones, those are your wholes. Less than wholes. Tenths, hundredths. Okay. Lining up your decimals means you line up your place values.